This is intro uno. Buongiorno.
Cool, so today we have lift evac training. Actually, sorry, before we do that, we have our morning meeting, which I think must mean today's Wednesday. I'm not really sure what day it is anymore, but I'm pretty sure it must be Wednesday. So we have our morning meeting, and I think we get breakfast. I'm not really sure. I hope we get breakfast because I haven't really eaten that much. And then we have our group photo, like everybody together, which is cool. And then we have some lift evac training, and there's Tomo and them guys because they didn't bring the board, so they have to walk. I was going to walk with them, but I'm slightly scared about being late, and I don't want to be late ever, so I've decided to write down yay. And then after we've done lift evac training, we have a lesson. I believe it's level 3, so level 3 is going to be going down Plaza Chair, which is like basic green runs. I think only Hummingbird's open yet. I don't think Woodcutter and the other one's open, but yeah, so that should be fun. So that's like people that can snowboard or they've learnt to turn, and then we're just making them feel more comfortable, editing their turnings to make better. Probably, I guess, if you're looking at the quick ride, like flow, I guess is where we're looking at. So that is the deal with that. I'm hoping, I know it's still early season, but I'm hoping I get to teach people that don't work here. So at the moment, I think every lesson I've had apart from one has been pretty much staff, which is tough to sell lessons because the opportunity is not there. Now I know the opportunity will come, and that's fine. But yeah, I wanna wrap up some actual privates here on Snow. Get a couple under my belt, as I said. Like I've got like 3 that come in from the UK or from numbers that I had in Canada last time, so that's something. But I would like to do something this season in person. It'd be nice. But I have my cards. So yesterday I got some magic cards. I got a deck of cards, normal deck of cards, and then I started doing magic for the people in the candy shop, and then they've allowed me to put my business card on the desk, so that's cool. I'm gonna leave it a couple of days and then go in and see if it's still there. But yeah, we'll see what happens. But I'm gonna do some more magic on some of the pros first. It's like the skiers and boarders at the ski school, and then if that's still going well, then we can start trying some on the public. I didn't know I could do magic. Bit of sleight of hand, bit of trickery, bit of maths. It's kind of cool. I like it. Is this your car? Actually, I might make a video. We'll just do a magic video. Yeah, that could be cool. We'll try that. We said. Yeah, so I guess I run to the pro room, get changed, get in the centre as quick as I can, and see where we go from there. It is windy as hell today. We had lots of snow, lots and lots and lots of snow, but now it's lots and lots of wind. Like, this thing is rocking. And then this is my morning walk through the village, which, remember, is that proper? Guess what? It still is. It's still here.
they're going to go. This is Summer's workshop, so that could be something they've got as well. Yeah, 8 AM, there's like nobody here. But then it just gets busy so quick, like everyone comes up as soon as first lift is ready. And they hit the wind in the section and stuff. Go! And then bring it back! Hehehe